So, welcome back to our series Snowflake Masterclass. So, in the past, actually, we have covered basics of Snowflake, and now there are some core topics that what is cloud computing we are going to learn, and why cloud computing, and how all these are implementing in Snowflake tool. So, in the past, business relied on physical data centers. They had to buy servers, they had to install networks, their networking, and manage storage and upgrade system from time to time, and also had to update their security patches. This was very expensive, time consuming, and hard to scale. After that, a new concept came, and that is cloud computing. Cloud computing solve all these challenges. Instead of owning servers or organizations, generally now rent computing power, storage, and service on demand from the providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. So, what are the key benefits? We have gone through by the way we have gone through all these key benefits of this Snowflake tool, and similarly, cloud computing is also you have to pay what you have used only, and it's scalable on your needs, and you don't worry about infrastructure failures too. The cloud provider handle all these issues. So let's compare this with traditional data centers. In a data center, you have to manage everything: infrastructure, security, electricity, software and hardware upgrades, operating system, virtualizations, and application itself. But when it comes to the cloud computing, everything will be provided you software as a service, and you no longer waste time on hardware. Instead, you focus on application and data. This shift is exactly why Snowflake exists, because managing physical data warehouse is complex, while the cloud make it very simple. So there are different layers in cloud computing, and I have also want to inform you some terms. That is, one is IaaS. It means infrastructure as a service, and there is a similar term PaaS. It means platform as a service. Similarly, SaaS, software as a service. So IaaS, here you got a raw infrastructure, virtual machines, networking, storage, and you have to manage operating system only. Operating system and apps yourself. For example, Amazon EC2. It's like a IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Similarly, there is a thing called PaaS, platform as a service. In this, provider manages infrastructure, provider will manage infra. Runtime, you just have to building of apps, and deployment of the apps. For example, Google App Engine, Azure SQL databases. Similarly, there is a third thing known as software as a service. So here everything is managed from infrastructure, platform, and the software itself. You just simply use the app like Gmail, Salesforce, Microsoft 365. So each layer give you a different balance between control and convenience. So when it comes to the cloud computing, we are discussing about physical storage, virtual machines, and physical servers. These are all being managed by your cloud provider, AWS, Azure, or GCP. And operating system and data will be managed by Snowflake, as well as software also. You just have to concentrate on application, databases, and tables. So Now let's so now where does Snowflake fit? Snowflake is a unique blend of SaaS. Snowflake is unique blend of SaaS and PaaS. Likely SaaS, you don't need to manage any server, patches and upgrades. I'm talking about this area. Similarly, PaaS, you still have flexibility. You write SQL queries, scale compute up or down, and integrate with other tools. This is what makes Snowflake so powerful. It gives you the ease of SaaS and control of PaaS. That's all about the cloud computing in Snowflake. So let's move on to the Snowflake additions also. So now let's connect back to the Snowflake. Snowflake isn't offered as just one fixed package. Instead, it comes with different additions so that businesses can pick right balance of features, performance, security depending on their needs. So let's explain these additions in detail. There are generally 4 additions. One is standard addition, that is introductory level. Second is enterprise additions, it is actually a little bit higher. And then business critical addition and virtual private Snowflake. So we will start from standard addition. It provides all core features of Snowflake. Core features of Snowflake: secure your data, powerful querying, and automatic scaling. Then it is best for startups and small teams just getting starting with analytics. When it comes to the enterprise edition, all these are included in enterprise edition. Plus there will be multi-cluster warehouses for handling heavy workloads. There will be better governance, performance and security features, ideal for medium to large businesses where multiple teams or user can query simultaneously. When it comes to the business critical, in business critical edition, it is all these will be included in this. Plus there will be some add-ons, for example, designed for companies that deal with sensitive or regulated data, included HIPAA compliances, stronger encryption, tri-secret key management, and higher security controls. It is perfect for industries like finance, healthcare, and governments also. Similarly, there is also a more secured thing known as virtual private Snowflake. This is the top tier edition of Snowflake. It provides completely isolated Snowflake environment for your organization. No shared resources, maximum privacy and compliance, used by companies with extreme security requirement like defense or high security finances. So I have also created a slide comparing all these additions. You can go through this. There are some little bit different, like complete data warehousing will be there, automatic data encryption in standard edition. There is also, I forgot that the time travel is for 1 day only, but when it comes to the enterprise edition, time travel could be done up to 90 days. In business, all these will be included, along with there will be some other things also. Similarly, disaster recovery, or known as fail safe is up to 7 days. In the same, fail safe is for 7 days. Similarly, secure data share will be there. There will also be secure data share, and premier support 24/7 will be there. All standard features, multi-clustering warehouse, materialized view are in enterprise edition. What are materialized view we are going to learn in future. Search optimization will be there. Column level security will also be included in this edition. Similarly, there should be add-on in business criticals. You can go through all of them, and if you find anything If you find anything that you are not getting, so you could comment in the comment section. So, and VPS is a fully private Snowflake instant, isolated, secure, and built for organization with extreme compliance needs. So at the end, I want to make you understand by some lines like standard edition is like a reliable car. When it comes to the enterprise, it's like a performance car for speed and handling multiple passengers. Similarly, when it comes to business critical, it is armored car for maximum safety. And when it comes to the VPS, it's like flight jet, a private jet, exclusively fully dedicated and built for those who need the absolute best. So we have learned cloud computing. Snowflake is built on top of it, and Snowflake additions let you choose the exact balance of features, performance, and security your business required. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Have a good day.